Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in today's video we will be making some pot roast chicken, and here are the ingredients you will need to put this recipe together. In my plate here I have some garlic and onion powder, I have some adobo, paprika, some Chinese spice, and this is the one I'm using. I also have here some complete seasoning, garlic salt, chicken bouillon, and some black pepper. I have my oil here. I have here some ketchup, barbecue sauce, some Chinese sauce, and sweet soy sauce, green seasoning, ginger, grated ginger, and this is freshly grated ginger, guys. And here I have my chicken. Now for my sauce, the sweet soy sauce, this is the brand I use. My Chinese sauce, I have here the Chief brand. And for my barbecue sauce, I'm using the Sweet Baby Raids. To get started on our next step, I'm just going to clear off my counter here. And I'm going to bring my chicken close to me here. And our first step is adding all the dry ingredients to marinate the chicken. I'm also going to add in my ginger and my green seasoning. And this is all I'll be adding in here for now. I'm going to mix this to make sure that it's well coated. The chicken is well coated. And we are going to leave this to marinate for about 3 to 4 hours. You want to massage the seasoning into the chicken. Try to get all under the skin and every part that you can marinate. So now that I'm finished marinating my chicken, I'll place this on the side like I said and leave it for about 4 hours. Remember, if you don't have that 4 hours, it's fine. You can start cooking it right away or like after 30 minutes or so, and you'll be fine. So while our chicken is marinating, we'll just make our sauce and leave it on the side until we're ready for it. So in this bowl I have my ketchup, and I'm going to add in my Chinese sauce here and my sweet soy sauce, and I'm going to add in my barbecue sauce. And if you would like your pot roast to be more on the sweeter side, you can go ahead and add in some brown sugar. All our ingredients are in here. You want to just mix and make sure that it's combined evenly. And we'll just leave this on the side until we're ready for it. Now after that 4 hours, we're going to head over to the stove and I'll show you guys the next step. So guys, to my non-stick pan, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. I just want to coat the pan with the oil. I'm not going to add in too much. So once your oil come up to a nice hot temperature, you're going to add in your chicken. And you want to make sure you grab all those extra seasoning that was left on the bottom there. At this time, you're going to adjust your temperature to medium-high, within medium and high, and you're going to cover it. You want the chicken to release all that excess water, and you want the water to dry out back before you add any other ingredients or anything to the pot. So I'll show you guys back in about 10 minutes or so. So after about 5 minutes, I start flipping them on the other side. You want to remember to rotate the sides to so that they get nice and brown on both sides. And as you can see, all the water that was released is dried out. And now it's time to add in some water to cook the chicken. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup only. We don't want a sauce in there. We just want the water to boil the chicken so that it's nice and tender to bite into. At this time, we will not be adding in any of the sauce, and the reason for that is I like to add the sauce when it's almost near to done, because it tends to burn from an early stage with all the sauce. So I want to make sure that the chicken is nice and cooked before I add in the sauce, and I have that nice sauce on the top without tasting any burn sugar or burn ketchup. So we're just going to cover this now, and we're going to allow it to cook. You can take the temperature down a little bit more if you prefer. Now I'm just going to cover this. I don't want the water to dry out too fast. I want it to take its time and cook. So I'm going to cover this now and allow it to cook. And this should take about 15 to 20 minutes, I guess. I'll show you guys when I'm ready to add in the sauce. So guys, after about 30 minutes rotating the chicken on both sides so that it cooked evenly, it's time now to add in your sauce. So I'm going to just add in, just like so. You want to just pour it on top. And we're going to start just rolling it in the sauce to make sure that it's coated on both sides. Basically, you want to just mix them in. So you want to allow the sauce to cook now in the chicken, and just to soak in the meat a little. So we're just going to allow this to cook for about 10 minutes more until the sauce is nice and coated and well soaked in the chicken. Just remember, once the sauce is in there now, it will be very easy for it to burn. So you have to pay close attention to it and make sure you flip them whenever it's needed to be flipped. Now once you add in your sauce, you have a chance to taste and make sure it's at the right sweetness and at the right saltiness that you like. For me, this is perfect. I just would have prefer it a little bit more sweet. So I'm going to add in a little bit of brown sugar now. And after 10 minutes, you're good to go. You can turn your stove off. And I'm just going to plate this up and show you guys the end result.
You try it. Yummy. Bye. Like and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.
So guys, here's the final result of our pot roast chicken. Today we will be having our pot roast chicken with some raisin rice and some garden salad. Of course, my raisin rice recipe is on its way as well. So we hope you enjoy this video and give it a try. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.